Hello my good people, welcome to my page. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare my lettuce salad, so keep watching to see how it is being prepared. And here are the ingredients that you wash all vegetables, chop and add to a large bowl. For the dressing, you will be needing place in a jug and add in olive oil, lemon juice, black pepper, honey, red vinegar, mustard paste. Wait until it is well mixed, and this is how it looks like. Pour the dressing over the salad, turn until it is well combined, and this is how it looks like. It looks so good and delicious. Guys, if you like what you are watching, please follow this page, like, share and comment to know when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon on my next video. Bye.